boys and girls? Once again, it is time for Fundations. Today, we're going to be doing Unit 2, Week 1, Day 1. And today, we're going to be focusing on bonus sounds. Bonus means an extra. And sound is what we hear when we are working on a letter. So let's begin. Let's start off by doing our vowel sounds. Echo me. Apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, it. Octopus, ah. You, up, Good job of reviewing our short vowel sounds. Now, I want you to think a moment about the word miss. Echo me. Miss. Good job. Let's tap it out. And as we tap it out, I want you to think about how many sounds you hear in this word. Okay, ready? Miss. Is, miss. How many sounds did you hear? That's right. There were 3 sounds. We heard this one in the beginning. The vowel sound, I, and the final sound. Now take a look at that word. Is. It has all the sounds, but it doesn't look quite right. That's because sometimes when a word ends with F, L, or S, and it's followed a short vowel sound, you have to have a bonus letter. And in the word miss, as in I miss my grandchildren, miss has to have a bonus S on it. Now, when you have a bonus sound or a bonus letter in a word, you have to show that this is a bonus or an extra S by putting a star up above. Now, you can draw your star like that if you wish, or if that's hard for you to draw, it's okay to draw an X with a line through it. It's still a star. Either way is okay. Now, to mark this word, it's a 1-syllable word with a short vowel sound, and it ends with 1 consonant sound, so it is closed. Make that sign with me. Closed. All right. So we're going to mark the syllable. It is closed. Put the breve up above, and we have the word miss. All right, let's try some more words. If I change my short I, if I change it into a short E, the eh sound, instead of having the I sound, I'm putting the ed sound in it. Raise your hand if you can read that word. Blend it in your head. Okay, ready? Tap it out. Ready? Tap it. S, mess. What's the word? Mess. Okay, you made a big mess that you had to clean up. Now, it's marked the exact same way. It has a short vowel sound, and it is a 1-syllable word with a short vowel sound. It ends in 1 consonant sound. You don't say mess. Oh no, there's just 1 sound here at the end. And so that means that it is closed. All right, let's try a new word. Sometimes Z will also get a bonus letter. For example, sound it out in your head. Ba. What's this one? Z. And what's the sound? Buzz. Buzz. A fly can buzz around your head. Needs an extra Z. There we go. And you would mark it the same way. You put a star above the extra consonant. It's a 1-syllable word with a short vowel sound, and it ends in 1 consonant sound, so it is closed. All right, Now, let's try something new. ALL, all ball, is what we call a glued sound. You've heard all before. I have all my friends here. Well, it's the same sound that you hear in the word ball. Now, if I make the word ball, what do you see? Do you see the all that we have right there? Of course you do. All right, so I'm going to fill in, instead of having this written, I'm going to fill in the A-L-L, ball. Now, this is what we call a glued sound because the letters are glued together. And when you tap that out, you glue those fingers together. So let's tap it. Ba-all. And see, I'm going to glue those fingers right there. Okay, elbows up. Get ready. Tap it. Ball. Ba-all. Ball. What's the word? Ball. Now, when you mark a glued word, it's very interesting because what you have to do is you have to put a box, not a circle, a box around the glued sound to show that those sounds have to stay together. It's a one-syllable word. It has a short vowel sound, although, do you hear the sound of a-ah? Ba-ow. No, we don't say bow. We say ba-all. What vowel sound is that? It's a short O sound. Ah. It sounds like we are writing all, like that. But it's not spelled like that. The glued sound, A-L-L, is sounded all. You hear the O, you hear the L, but it's spelled A-L-L. But it is closed. All right. So let's practice some words. Either use your marker boards or your magnetic letters, whichever your teacher tells you to use. You can pause the video while you get your materials. Welcome back. All right, now we're ready for some words with either double letters or the glued sound all. All right, here's our first word. Echo me. Fall. Elbows up. Fall. All. What's the word? Fall. Okay, write the word. All right, here it is. I'm going to put F, and I'm going to put my glued sound all. Now, how would we mark that word? Well, we know we have to put a box around the glued sound. It's a one-syllable word. It has a short vowel sound, the short vowel sound of ah, short vowel sound all. But we don't mark it with a brief. We just know that it is a glued sound with a short vowel sound, and it is closed. It is closed. All right, let me see your boards, please. Good job. Okay, the next one. Next word. Erase your boards. Echo me. Ball. Elbows up. Ball. B-all. Ball. Now you notice I had my fingers glued when I did that. Let's do that one again. Ball. Ready? Tap it. Ball. B-all. Ball. Write the word ball. All right, here it is. Check yours. Is it spelled the way mine is? Now let's mark it. We have to put a box around the A-L-L. It is a glued sound. It's a one-syllable word with a short vowel sound. and it ends in a single consonant. Oh my, that's a double letter, isn't it? So we better put that star up above there. We didn't do that on fall, did we? I'll do that now. And since it's a one-syllable word with a short vowel sound that has a glued short vowel sound, it is closed. Let's do that together. It's a one-syllable word, one-syllable letter. I'm sorry. It's a one-syllable word with a short vowel sound, and it ends in a single consonant sound. It is closed. All right. Next word. Now this one's going to have a different sound, but it is going to have a double letter at the end. Listen carefully. Puff. There was a big puff of wind. Elbows up. Puff. 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 Now you heard three sounds. Puff. Puff. Write the word puff. Check yours against mine. Has that double letter because L, F, and S can have a double letter, and sometimes Z. All right, here we go. Puff. I'm going to make my C up here a little smaller. All right, puff. It's a one-syllable word. It has a short vowel sound of U up, It has a double consonant at the end, so we put a star above it. And it is, that's right, closed. Okay, so puff, buzz, full, mess, and ball. All right, next word. Echo me. Wall. Elbows up. Wall. All. Wall. Write the word. There we go. Oh, it has the glued sound. Mark it with a box. Has a double letter at the end. Is it one syllable? Why, yes it is. I think I need to make my syllable thing a little smaller there. It's a one-syllable word. It has a short vowel glued sound, and it is closed. All right. Now, your teacher is going to work with you now on some trick words, and those trick words are all going to have that double letter at the end. I'll see you next time.